Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a feature for ScrapDiva Designs. This is her information right here, scrapdivadesigns.com. And here is all her social medias. Check out the hashtag because you will gain so much inspiration from such talented crafters who are crafting with her dies. So, ooh, check that out. Screenshot that. Okay, let's get on into it. I have a bit of a mess here because I'm currently working on some stuff, and let's go ahead and clean that up. Okay, so the first project is this cute Cookies for Santa box that I created using a silhouette cut file for the box and for the holly berry, as well as the snowman. The snowman is Lori Whitlock. So Cookies for Santa is ScrapDiva. Such a cute little sentiment for putting out cookies, and I do actually have cookies in here. So I put cookies there, and I just love this. It's so cute. I think it's just very festive and nice and clean for putting out some cookies, as well as a glass of milk for Santa. On to the next, and we have a duo. So these are some candy cane grams that I created as well using a silhouette cut file for the tag on the back. And as you can see on the side, it has a little protruded piece here where you could insert your candy cane or any type of candy. Even those crystal rock candies, those would be nice in this one right here. So the holly berry is a silhouette as well. The bow is ScrapDiva, nice and naughty. So let's go ahead and switch these. So nice and naughty is ScrapDiva. I added some charms to the bottom, which I picked up from Amazon. So yes, I just love this. This one was a hit on Instagram, so everyone really loved those. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these right on here so we can make room. Excuse my nasty cut right here. This, we have a kitten, so you know how kittens are, they play a little rough sometimes, and it didn't hurt while I was playing with him, but after the fact it did. So I have this cute little Cupcake Reindeer. The Cupcake memory decks is ScrapDiva. The reindeer pieces is as well ScrapDiva, and again the banner is ScrapDiva. So if you know this die here, it comes with a banner right here, and I decided just to add this flag banner here to those pieces. So I just love how it turned out. This one doesn't have any stitching, but if I were to add stitching, definitely would add it here, down here, and around the cupcake, and right here. So, but this one doesn't. Sometimes I just can't do it. Otherwise, I will, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. And the next one is this other memory decks card, which I created using the Cuddle Weather sentiment from ScrapDiva. The peppermint is silhouette. This, I just did it freehand, and I also have a punch for the memory decks. Added ScrapDiva's bow right here. This is her bow. I just love it. That's my favorite bow of her collection. So make sure you guys pick that up if you want to use this. It comes in a bundle, but check out her sales, you guys. She has sales right now happening, so check that out. So that's the Cuddle Weather die. I just love how that turned out. The last one is this cute advent calendar mailbox, and on Instagram it is set up very nicely, but here it kind of messes up because I can't keep all of the envelopes in one spot. But I just love the little advent calendar. It's such a cute little cut file from Silhouette Design Store. I added a Lori Whitlock tree. I added some other pieces from my stash. This reindeer is Hobby Lobby. This mailbox is featuring the numbers. That's 25. That's ScrapDiva's numbers. And again, the envelopes is as well Silhouette. Everything will be linked below. The numbers are ScrapDiva, and I just love how it turned out. You could put money in this thing. You could add it to a stocking stuffer. You could send to your pals and add some charms and knickknacks and stuff. So it's such a cute little advent. You could add even more numbers inside it. I made it a little miniature type of mailbox, but you could make it larger and it would be a cute advent project to send out. So that's all of my projects. I hope you enjoyed all of that. If you have any questions on any of these, just let me know and I will be glad to answer all of your questions. I'm just loving Christmas. I just have a few more projects coming for Christmas and then I can start Valentine's. So I'm excited for that as well. I hope you guys have a great holiday. Check out ScrapDivaDesigns.com. I have a discount code for you. It's V10. That's VEE10. That'll save you 10% throughout the entire website. And let's get into Valentine's, you guys. Remember as well, Christmas in July. So pick up what you want now, because once July comes, you know how Christmas is not very available. So get it now while you're able to, especially on sale too. There's some sales going on, so do that. I would recommend that if you're into Christmas in July. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.